just like that. Oh, forgot to grab it. We back on stocks. Tire not flat, tire not low. Probably could use a little bit more air in the driver's side. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I would like to welcome you to the TTG family. Now before we get started, I need y'all to do me a favor. Hit that like button, like this video up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Now once you finish doing all that, go ahead and watch this video all the way to the end. Make sure you enjoy the video too. Watch it all the way to the end where you'll see my end screen pop up. On my end screen you'll see the last video I posted. Click on the last video I posted and like that video too, then just keep repeating the process. You feel me? It's free, it don't cost you nothing. It ain't doing nothing but taking up some of your time. But you feel me? You're doing me a favor, you help me out, you helping the channel grow. Now, y'all, I'm happy because last video I fixed one of my stock tires, the one tire that went flat. I fixed the valve stem on it. So this video we're gonna be throwing the stocks back on the Cutlass, getting these 22s off. Now I can have all four of the same wheel back on the car, y'all. Like I said, I'm so happy, I'm excited, and you feel me, I'm just happy that I was able to finally get something done to where the car be all back on one set of wheels, or at least I have my stocks back. You feel me? I still need to get tires for the stocks, but I can't find any unless I want to order some, and I don't want to pay close to $100 a tire. That's $400 when I can just find a set of wheels off Facebook, like off of somebody have from off of Cutlass or something. I don't know. Like I said, I'm gonna figure out something. I've been looking, and I'm gonna keep searching because I know any day somebody just post a set of wheels, be like, yeah, just come grab them. Brand new set of 15-inch tires, come grab them. So I'm gonna keep searching, keep looking every day. I'm gonna keep checking Facebook, keep checking Safari and stuff every day, Google, to see if anybody just dropped a sale on a set of wheels or something. A set of tires. So yeah, that's all I'm waiting on is a set of tires. But for now, we just gonna rock with what we got, and what we got is my 15-inch stocks. The tires not the best, but they gonna do us enough to where I can get around town and go get this car inspected. That's one of my only holdups, was trying to get these 22s off. I told my uncle, because the car got to go in my uncle's name so it can be in his insurance, because I talked to the people to try to get insurance on all three of my cars under my name, and since I've never had insurance on the car, and since I'm so young, the insurance was too much. I just letting my uncle do it. You feel me? So I'm gonna put it in his name because all my other cars in his name. So just gonna go that way. And I told him I didn't want to drive the car with these 22s on, so I wanted to get these off before we take it to get inspected. So we're gonna be doing this video, getting these wheels off. I already broke the lugs and lifted the car up, so all we gotta do is just take it off, take 22 off, put these 15s back on, lower the car, do the other side, and then we're good to go. Should be pretty quick and simple, shouldn't be too long. But like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Now let's go ahead and get out the car, and I'll catch y'all when we get outside. Alright guys, so before we get started, I wanted to go ahead and show y'all. If y'all didn't check out my last video, go check it out. But I ended up putting a new valve stem on this one, which is this was the one that was broke. So as y'all can tell, brand new valve stem, done by myself. Didn't have to take it to a tire shop. Like I said, that's what I'm trying to do, is teach myself how to do all this stuff so I don't have to take it to no shops. So new valve stem. But I already told you I broke off the lugs, and the sun's not out anymore, so that's one thing I don't have to worry about anymore, is my camera overheating, because it feels pretty good out here right now. So let's go ahead and take these off so we can get my wheel off. And I know what y'all gonna say, get an impact. I have an impact. It's just I don't like making too much noise in the neighborhoods, you feel me? Because some people don't want to hear that all the time. So I'd rather just do it by hand and stay quiet. And to stay pretty quiet, you feel me? So yeah, I don't want to use the impact because I don't want to make too much noise and people get aggravated. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick to doing it by hand until I get my own crib. When I buy my own crib, then can't nobody tell me nothing. But I mean, my grandmother owns this house, so won't nobody say nothing anyways, because everybody know everybody anyways. But it's just the fact that I don't own this house and it's not mine. If it was mine, then I wouldn't care what nobody had to say. But it's not mine, not my house. All I got is my cars over here. So we just gonna do everything by hand and try to not to make too much noise, because I know people don't want to hear it all. So like I said, I'm just trying to be respectful. So I'm just gonna rock out with doing it all by hand. Get this out of here and put this up. I do want to talk to y'all too real quick. Really fast, I want to ask y'all a quick question. If y'all think I should put these on my charger, let me know, because they do fit. These are 5x4.5 and 5x4.75, so it's both lug patterns. And I've already had these on my charger before when I blew the tires on my red 22s that's on there now. I had blew them and we had these tires, but instead of me changing the tire, I just went through all 4 of the wheels on. So if y'all think I should throw the chrome ones on my charger, let me know and I will. The only thing is I don't have the center caps. So my red ones have center caps on them, but these we don't have center caps. So if y'all, like I said, y'all let me know if y'all think I should throw these on my charger. If so, then I will. Cause you feel me, they all chrome, but I like my red on red look because it's different. You know, I ain't seen it too much anyways where I live. So yeah, let's go ahead and throw this stock on. But yeah, like I said, if y'all think I should throw them chromes on, I'll throw them on. It don't bother me. It's more content, more videos, and it'd be something y'all wanted to see. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. So it's up to y'all. I don't mind either one. I mean, I love my red on red that I have going on, because like I said, it's different, and I don't see anybody with a color match wheel on their car down here where I live. You feel me, down here in the south. So but if y'all want to see the chrome, I will do the chrome. But my main thing is now I finally got my stocks back on, y'all. Finally putting my stocks back on. Something's finally going right. Something's always going wrong every time. So and I want to tell y'all too about the spokes, the reason why I'm not putting the spokes on. So I took it to a tire shop to get a tire put on, or get some tires put on, and as they was putting tires on, they told me that the spokes were leaking air. So 3 of the spokes wheels, the spokes was leaking air on 3 of the wheels. So they told me I would have to get them repaired and then come back and get tires. So I just said forget it. I'm not trying to spend no more money on trying to get no wheels repaired. I just did that wrong. See, talking, I forgot to do my start pattern. I mean, it ain't gonna hurt nothing, but I like to always do my start pattern. So 1. See, me just talking, dog, I forgot what I was doing. But yeah, like I was saying, the spoke wheels, 3 of the rims is leaking air from the spokes. So I just said forget it, and I put them up. Now hopefully one day I can find a set of spokes, because I do want to rock spokes on this car. But if not, then you feel me, it ain't too big, it ain't that big of a deal. I didn't waste no money on the wheel, I didn't waste no money on the tire, because I didn't get the tires, and I didn't pay for the wheels because my dad already had them, and we knew they fit this car. But since they've been sitting for so long, I guess the spokes started to give out or something, I don't know, but they leaking around the spokes. Air is leaking through the spokes. So yeah, it was out for them. That's why I didn't get the tires, because I did find a set of tires and the dude wanted 160 or 180 for 4. Because that one tire that was already on the wheel, it wasn't good. It was a bad tire. So yeah, he wanted 160 or 180, I think he said, for all 4, which is a magnificent deal. Nice and slow. There we go. And then let's tighten these down. I need a torque wrench so I can start torquing my wheels instead of just tighten them by how I feel is tight enough. But yeah, so that was why I couldn't use my spokes anymore. That was the reason. I mean, it don't bother me because I knew something was gonna go bad, because every time we have something going good, something goes bad. So I knew something was gonna happen. So it don't really bother me. As of right now, it don't. Hold on. I need to loosen. And just like that, we back on stocks, baby. Yes, sir. So yeah, that was a little story time about why I could not use the spokes. Kind of upset, but then again, it is what it is. So, but let me go ahead and put this one on. Ain't gonna make y'all watch me put this one on. And I'm gonna come back to y'all and we back on stocks. All right, y'all. So just like that. Oh, forgot to grab it. We back on stocks. Tire not flat, tire not low. Probably could use a little bit more air in the driver's side. But yeah, back on stocks, man, all the way around. Now, like I said, I still need to get tires, so that's my next mission, trying to find some tires. But yeah, it could use a little bit more air. But other than that, man, new valve stem. And we back on my stocks. Grab this. Yep. So now next mission, go get this car inspected so we can start cleaning it up and working on the looks of the car. But other than that, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on where y'all be notified every time I drop. I'm happy, man. Got my stocks back on. Now I can finally really dry the car without having to worry about all that rubbing and stuff, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, next mission now, go get the car inspected this week. Go get the car inspected. So I want to end this off with a quick little cold start too. Quick little cold start. Y'all see, fire's right up now. Fire's right up, you feel me? So let me make sure, turn my radio down. Y'all see the radio still come on. I unplugged the EQ because I thought that was draining the battery, but it wasn't. Turn it down. Yeah, so like I said, fire's right up. Quick little rev. I don't know why I do that. If y'all know why I do that, y'all let me know. I don't know why it like hesitates. Like it wanna let me rev it, but it hesitates a little bit. But every day I've been coming out letting it run for about 5-10 minutes. So that's what I'm finna do now. I'm finna let it run for a little bit. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all got any dreams and goals, make sure y'all always go after y'all goals. Try to achieve y'all goals. Do anything you can to achieve your goal, you feel me? It's a dream, so go after it. That's what I'm doing with mine. This is my dream. I'm going after it, you feel me? So yeah, man, other than that, man, I appreciate y'all for watching. I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. It's gonna be the end of this one. I'll catch you on the next one.